Why does it
It's a Nana surprise backpack that
See, it says na. Like
right there. And then if you open it, the backpack, it turns into this doll's bed. So let's open it and see what we have.
Yeah. Here's the scissors.
Okay, cut the throat.
Wait, see some of the inside. And you can see there. It can't. You can take it anywhere you want.
Yeah, it's a backpack.
There, it's foodie done. It's like
It has
Wait, have you seen him? I'm Grandpa Long.
What?
Wait, I'm Grandpa Obey.
Okay.
And guys, I open here and I get a dog.
Yeah, right. That's my dog.
Yeah, but it can be the pet too.
Oh yeah, we can create a pet.
And
No surprise. Please subscribe to my channel.
got the mirror.
Enough with your surprises.
Wait, it has a.
Guys, look, this is the mirror, and look, it has a little stand in the
What?
back.
Let me see it. Let me see.
You can stand.
The vlogging camera I can't see. Right?
Okay, let's open everything carefully.
This is the camera it comes with.
Oh, you mean mirror?
This is the mirror it comes with.
The mirror. Cool.
Wait, whoa, it does reflection.
Okay, guys, I
Square
opened the
reflection.
little pillow that's so cute, and it has flowers and bunnies on it. It's so adorable.
Oh.
Let's open this one.
Ow. Open it because we're 19. And about to be 20.
Oh, look, it says some bunny loves you. It's so cute. Some bunnies? Okay, guys, it's gonna take a little while for me to open it.
Or maybe
so
like half an hour.
maybe like 10-20 minutes. So we're gonna open it. So we're gonna open it up, and then we're gonna put everything on the table and show you guys. Okay, guys, everything is set up. I'm so excited. I love it a lot.
Yeah.
Here's a doll. She looks so beautiful. She's so soft. I just love her hair. It's so long and sparkly. Cute high heels. They look so cute. And I love her oversized sweater. It's so cute. And her little beanie.
And guys, what I'm gonna control is this dog that definitely doesn't come with it. This one.
Okay, now let's read about her, guys. It says she is limited edition in the back.
No. If you can't read that, it says limited edition. like if you totally
Okay.
can't. Even
Let's
if
read. Her name is Aubrey Hart. Her birthday is April 12th. Her motto is Walk, Spin, Fashion Bunny. I love that. And
How
now-
old is she?
Well, I don't know.
You can make her age at 45.
No.
But then she will be like white.
Well, guys, if you guys
She will not be like fat hair.
didn't see the all about us video, my birthday is April 14 and her birthday is April 12. So we can always celebrate it together. So I can celebrate my birthday with her, or she can celebrate her birthday with me.
Yeah, it's more with you because the friends are coming over with you.
Maybe. I don't know. Okay. So
Open and tell the guys this is.
So let me tell you guys. So this is her brush here, her mirror. This is a blanket just tied up. Here's her pillow, other pillow, instructions, and the little part. Okay, guys. So let's open it up.
Polymer.
So soft. I can't Polymer. Okay, let's open it up. That's on the side. On the side, if you guys see there's a zipper. Wait, are you ready, Isa? 3, 2, 1, go. Open.
And it has to be a bed.
There is a bed here.
Wait, let me see. Oh, it's
Okay, guys, you guys look at this. So,
I'm gonna open the bed.
wait, before you open it,
I will.
Before you open it, Isa, look, So on the wallpaper, it's so cute. It has a little bunny with like these cool stars.
Oh, it's so soft.
And it's not so soft, but
It's like a carpet.
it's felt. It's felt here. This is a felt wallpaper, and it has bunnies on it. And this is their little, the drawer. And open it. Oh wow! Look, there's guys. There are three hangers.
Why is it 3 hangers?
There's
You need
some
like
purple.
40 hangers.
No, there's 3 hangers. Hangers.
Hangers. I'm not hangers.
So
What are even hangers?
2 are for like shirts and dresses and stuff, and then this third one, it's for like to clip your pants or to clip the skirts.
And
cute.
now I'm gonna open the bed.
Now you said you can open the bed. Let's put this back inside.
Ooh, that's soft. So I'm opening the bed.
Put them in, and this drawer can come out easily. And so that look, the details are really cute. It has bunny ears on it. Everything has bunny ears because Audrey is the bunny girl. She is a bunny
I
girl.
opened it.
And this is how it looks like. Let's put it.
Oh, it's broke.
Now Isa. Oh no, that's not broken. Okay, guys.
Look how soft it is.
Now let's Isa. Give it to me. Thank you.
Wait, where are you gonna put it? There?
Right there. This is the bed section.
And when you want to go somewhere, you can just do it like that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now let's put it down. And guys, this, if you guys wonder what this is,
It is.
the hanger rack.
Yeah.
So you're
But
gonna.
why is it was in the bed?
It's just put there, Isa. So you're gonna install it from the side. It's gonna hear a click. Okay. So now we're gonna open the blankets.
I'm gonna get with the present.
So cute.
I gotta bring it home. What the heck?
Okay, so this blanket is so like silky and soft. It literally slipped into my hands. Well, let's put it on. It's pink, and it's so
What is
soft.
this?
Oh, that's the latch part. That's wait.
Latch?
This is if you connect it to this side, it's gonna close, and then it's gonna open from here. Let's put in the pillows.
The pillow.
And this is the while Lisa put the pillows in, I'm gonna brush her hair. So soft. Lisa put the pillows in. Perfect. Gonna space it out a bit. Okay. Now her bed is ready. Put the mirror on this side.
I'm gonna go.
No! It's okay. At least nothing else like broke or anything. It's not real.
Wait, let me try to brush my hair.
Okay, while Lisa does that, I'm gonna take her shoes off in the storage place where you can put some of her stuff in. Nice, brushed. And her hair is so silky and soft with these really cute glittery streaks on her hair that I don't think you guys can see, but maybe you can see it. And
It's green.
it's green type, but it's so pretty. And her eyes are so pretty. Like, look at that. It's like so like glossy and tight.
Yeah. Wait, she has blonde hair.
She does, Isa. Didn't you ever notice that?
No, I saw.
Her beanie is so. And she's like soft, and look at her dress, like her sweater is soft, and she
Yeah.
has some cute socks on.
Yeah.
Okay, time to put her in her bed.
Sleep time. I love to sleep.
Okay, time to put her to sleep.
Wait,
Okay,
wait,
good
wait,
night,
wait.
Audrey.
Dog sleeps until her dog sleeps right here.
Okay, guys, I just want to say I'm so in love with her shoes. Look how cute her heels are. They're like cute heels.
Wait,
and
if-
if they were in my size, I would so wear them.
But you
They
can
have
o-
bunny
you can only wear
ears.
it like when you're like 20.
Really. They have bunny ears and they're purple with a little gold. I think this is a lace or something. And they're so adorable.
And
I just
am
love
sleeping,
it.
and this girl would just adopt me. Adult. I can really see it. My eyes are blue.
Okay.
Strict not too close.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Guys, now I'm gonna show you guys how when we're done playing, how would I close her up. So first thing first, I'm gonna down. Okay, and now I'm gonna
Maybe we should really figure out what is this for.
yeah. If I just want to tell you, no, it's not for her shoes. This thing is if you guys like put earbuds in it, or maybe even other stuff like earbuds or
I know.
lip gloss.
If you get a play button. Wait, I'm kidding. Like a small paper. Like a toy paper.
I'm gonna close it like that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the hangers off. Take this out. It's done. Okay, now next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our 3 out. Now we're gonna put her down like this. Careful.
We're not even putting anything down.
Wait.
We are putting her down.
And I think I can put Audrey here again. Yeah, it will close.
What about her hair?
Guys, I'm gonna put the shoes back on because the hangers need to go in the drawer. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put this in. I'm taking this out because the drawer is full and it has the brush and 2 hangers and it's not gonna fit.
And the dog, it's just like, this is the potty place.
Really?
He's just like that.
Okay, now let's close it up. 3, 2, 1, go. Closed! It's closed, Lisa. It's done. Okay guys, now we managed to close it. Now, where's the backpack? Oh, come on! What are you doing? That's my backpack. Okay guys, I'm just obsessed with this backpack and I just love its straps. It's a bunny with bunny ears and a cute golden chain. I love it. Okay guys, now I'm gonna style Audrey's hair, but wait, where is Audrey? Isa, I got a surprise for you.
Look at this. Wait. Look at this.
When I say Aji Logi, that's not her bed. That's my other big dog's
Her
bed.
last name was Logi.
Okay, guys. I hope you guys had fun with Audrey here today. I'm just so happy and excited that I got this toy. It is so nice, and it's my early birthday present. I just love it.
3 days.
No, it's in like 2 months, but it's early. It's an early birthday present,
I think
and I love it.
Alexis was 16.
But it's my favorite type of, like, I just love this, and it's a mini backpack, and I love it. You know, and it's a bedroom backpack. It's 3-in-1. I just love it.
The hacker.
Well, we're gonna come up with more ideas, and we're gonna play. We're gonna play with Audrey soon in another video.
In 578 days.
See, your fake watch. We don't really know,
It's a wristband.
but we're gonna play with
Wristband.
We're gonna play with Audrey one day and come up with more
2
ideas
days
and fun
and
things.
3 days.
Okay, guys, I want you guys to subscribe to our channel and Lisa. Long pause. And like
And subscribe.
And and then if you like, then we'll come up with more videos, and I'll give you $570. Okay. I don't know. The bank here. Bank of America. Well, that they give the bank. I don't look like a bank here. Do I look like a bank? Hello. Just put money in my mouth and I just get money back. Okay, well, we'll see you guys in our next video. God, bye.